Hey guys, welcome back to Tosh Kicks. I've got a quick video for you today. I had to stop by and do this video very quickly because in this bag here is one of the most anticipated Jordan 4s this year. And I'm really excited to share this video with you, and I want you to stay with me and then we'll see what's in the box together. In the bag and the box together. Shout out to Board of South Sea, where I got the shoe from. The guy there, Harry, really nice guy. They opened up early for us as well. I drove down there early this morning with Owen. I think we were queuing for, oh god, 2 hours. Get there for 7, and there was a bit of a queue for me, but people started coming about 8:30. The word of advice, guys: if the hype pair of shoes are dropping, or sneakers are dropping, should I say, and you know he's dropping at 9 o'clock, don't get that 8:45. Don't get that 8:30. You will not get any shoes. And if you do, you'll be getting the smaller sizes. It's okay if you're a small size, then you're alright. If you're a big size, you need to get there at the same time we kind of got there. We got there by 7. So there was a couple there, right? They were there from 2 a.m. Incredible. Like, that's what I'm saying. Dedication. They wanted the shoe. They got the shoe. And they came in an iteration of the shoe. So, these guys, there was nothing going to stop them from getting that shoe. And I have respect for it. Love it. Respect it. Anyway, enough waffling now. So let's have a look in the back. So Border South Sea, shout out to you. Really, really cool place to shop. I'm going to do some products with them very soon around, giving some stuff back to the homeless and charities. And I love what they're doing there, right? Anyway, so in this box, as you can probably imagine, it's this beautiful cream box. It's a Jordan 4 box. If you know, you know. If you don't know, you're about to find out. And the actual box says Jordan 4 Retro SP, Summit White, White Navy, US 12, UK 11, which, as you all know by now, is my size. Beautiful glossy cream box or sail box. Grey Jordan logo, beautiful. Flight written across it. And here is the giveaway. You got the Jordan logo and Nike SB, which is fine. Fire shoe. The second colorway of 3. First pair, which I already have, which came out 2 years ago, was a shoe of the year for many. There's this pair, and there was a third pair, which is a friends and family pair, which is what, 300, I say 3 grand, should I say, not 400. If it was 400, I'll probably have it. About £3,000. So that's the red one. Anyway, let's open the box. So lift the lid. Ooh, I thought the lid would be easier to lift, but it's not. Nothing there, just a nice glossy inside, which is grey. And the smell of the new shoes, man, is incredible. I'm loving this. You got the speckled paper, like a cement paper there, with grey speckles on it. Oh, I can't just say boom anymore because the shoe's individually wrapped. So I'm going to pick one out, and we're going to wrap that together. This is very nice. I like what Nike are doing with this wrapping now because they're keeping the shoe premium. And inside is a 2025 Nike SB in the navy colorway. And first impressions, what a shoe. Oh my god, what a beautiful shoe. You've got this beautiful shoe in a Jordan 4, which is my second favorite silhouette. First obviously being Jordan 1, this is the second one. And it just looks so nice. It smells nice. The leather feels premium. And let's go through the shoe quickly. Quick 360 of it so you can see. Right, let's go through the shoe. So the midsole is in the navy, obviously hence the name Midnight Navy. Below that in the midsole is a white, actually quite white. And you got the bobble with a red, rubber inside, as you can see. Around the toe box is this premium suede in a very light grey, which kind of goes around it so it's not offensive. The actual shoe itself is not white, it's like a sail, but the netting is white. If you can see that there. You got the navy tabs there, lacelets, you can see that there. And you got the white laces that comes with that. The Air Jordan is upside down, as you'd expect. Flight on the tongue, and yeah, the Nike SB logo, you can see that. This is what makes a shoe special, right? And then underneath that, and the outsole, you've got a white base, red night tick, and I wasn't sure about this with the navy because I did this with the green pair, with the pine green pair. You've got the gum on the front, gum at the back, and I tell you what, the gum actually really works. Now, inside you've got the Nike SB Air in the insole. I don't know how many laces it comes with. Let's have a quick look in the box. How many laces? Oh wow, They're like, you know what? You got the shoe, man. That is it. You got the shoe. Don't worry about laces, man. This is a white lace, right? To be fair, I don't think this needs any lace change at all. The leather feels premium in the toe box, if you can see. The netting is quite nice, white. I'm not sure this will know yellow. And I tell you what, to complete this review, what we need to do very quickly is compare it to the green pair. So this is the green pair. This is the shoe that came out 2-3 years ago. Shoe of the year for everyone. And the green, I must say, the green does feel hits differently. The blue is essentially exactly the same shoe, but instead of green hits, you got the navy blue hits. Now, I'm a blue fan. I like blue. Blue's probably my favorite color. It's my daughter's favorite color as well. But in this instance, I like this. Right? This is my favorite color. And I think this is a better colorway for this shoe. But you know, any of the two is fine. I had to get it, and I'm happy I did. The red one is beyond me at this point in time. It's $3,000. If you want to send it to me for free, Nike brand, Jordan brand, I'll take it off your hand. But here you go. So back to the focus of the shoe. You've still got the rubber tab there, which is flexible, which is supposed to be built for skateboarding. I did speak to a few of my friends who skateboard, and they've told me this shoe is just more for aesthetics. It's not the best shoe to skateboard. It does still feel heavy, I guess. But you can see what they've tried to do, because in a normal Jordan 4, this is quite tough. This is more like a plastic. Like this is more rubber, sorry, but the normal one is a plastic, and it'll rip your Achilles to pieces if you're not careful. Because they made it rubberized, so it's easier to do. It's easier to skate with, should I say. I've got to say, I've worn, obviously, this before, and I'm guessing this will be the same thing. This is very comfortable. For my Jordan 4 heads, you know a normal Jordan 4 will rip your toes to shred. This won't, right? It's quite roomy. You can see the toe box a bit bigger. The build of it, the padding is there. It's quite plush. I would say, yeah, so it's the more comfortable brother to a normal Jordan 4. And I think this shape here, they used here, shaped the shape for all the other Jordan 4s out there. Definitely going to be in contention for top 10 shoe of the year. I can guarantee you now, this will not be shoe of the year. It wouldn't even be Jordan 4 of the year. To be fair, there's still quite some heat that's coming out. Obviously, you've got the brick by brick, which obviously we reviewed on the channel already. Then you've got the undefeated, the white cements, all that kind of good stuff coming that's competing with this. But I think this will be top 10. I like this. I like the Jordan 4, like I said. Now, let me know in the comment which one you prefer. Let me do a proper comparison. I'm going to use this shoe instead to this shoe. Which one do you prefer of the two? Is it the green colorway? Is it the blue colorway? Let me know in the comments. What I will also say is there's rumors circulating that this will be the last SB with Jordan brand, because they want to do more of their kind of shoes, you know, the flights, the more kind of skater heavy shoes. But I don't know. I mean, if this is the last one, they've ended on a good note. But yeah, I like the shoe. I like it a lot. I'm happy I've got this shoe, £210 from Board of Southsea. Again, shout out to you guys. But yeah, great shoe. Let me know what you think in the comment, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care of yourself, and God bless.